As we go on, we remember
Oh my goodness.
all the times we had together.
Where's the bottle?
Oh no.
These look like my old titties. Remember when they used to be real huge?
Like mine.
She thick. I'm gonna put her somewhere as a body goal. Like I need them hips right there.
I was trying to get her your complexion.
This is so hilarious. Okay, it's boat day. It's officially my birthday today, so we're gonna go get on the boat. I'm ready. You over there cracking yourself up?
Yes. But they want one.
Rachel, she says happy birthday.
Thank you.
Hit her from the back seat, like, hey, you can show your own destiny. You can show your own.
Hilarious.
Boat is called Two Nuts.
I mean, it's fitting. It's fitting, really.
This is nice. This is very spacious. I was about to ask him. I said, "Are you gonna catch me if I jump down?" Welcome to R. Kelly's yacht. This was the starter yacht.
Rachel, look at your birthday.
This is cute, girl.
So fucking cute. Okay.
I'm loving it.
Ooh, I'm gonna warm me up some food right away.
And that I am glad on camera.
Hell yes.
Look at this.
This is a little smash room down here.
It's a smash room.
Okay.
What is this?
And the bathroom isn't gross. Thank God for that.
Ari,
Ari,
What
turn
is
around really quick. I just want to do it quick. Wait, Rachel, look at the other one. Yes.
Got sexy teeth.
Yes. Oh, yeah, y'all look so cute. I'm going to put this in my reel. Okay.
Is that my phone ringing? Oh, that's probably KP looking for me. Oh no. This is cute. Huh? It's a little room back there.
it's a little fuck me room back there.
It's a little come lay me down room back there.
And we on time. We on time. These black people's on time today.
Man, look at
We still missing one person.
So where we
somebody?
setting the bar and stuff up at? So we get everything set up.
In the
I'll let y'all handle that wherever.
Alright, cause she don't do. Alright, she don't do. Like no
Set it up
drinks.
over there.
We get all your shit from up in here.
Why don't you just sit
know
right
when the
here?
boat
Wait,
gonna
what?
fall. You don't have to worry about no drinks. Like,
Rachel.
whatever you want, you should.
I think that's
Sit
why
the drinks
this-
right there behind you in that little
Yeah,
area right
come
there.
when you move, it won't fall.
Yeah.
Well, don't mind me. I'm gonna get out y'all way.
Yeah, it's all about you get to sit down now.
I don't want to sit down.
Well, you get to dance.
No. Why don't you say that?
Birthday girl's supposed to go in. I'm sorry, Ray.
I'm not.
It's
Nope.
your birthday.
The lucky thing about it, you got 2 lifeguards here.
You have three.
I can swim like a
She's
mermaid.
a junior lifeguard. Ari's a lifeguard.
Why you saying she joined? She
I don't have a life vest, so I can't go in this time. Gabriel was like,
He said, why I
I'm like, no, bitch. I was like, are you going to that? I'm not going
Respect
there.
on the lifeguard.
The swimming is not the It's my hair and it's sharks.
We all.
And a manatee.
Hello.
So
That was a big ass
We
man.
got y'all last, and I'm gonna do the high.
Damn, you want to introduce me to the
Come on, man. You
camera?
ready? You jump in the water with
This
me?
is Marcavius Johnson. What's your middle name?
You wanna jump in the water with me?
My last
I will not say that in public, but we'll talk about that later.
My last name Johnson too. Are we cousins? Yeah, y'all cousins. You still on that call? Did you say I'm making a documentary? Did you say I'm making a documentary? Probably.
You having people middle names and shit? I mean, out in the street. Brian, what's your full government
Would you like to
name?
give
No, shit, no.
And the last
Would you like
four
to
of
give your full
the last
government
four of
name?
your social security number? Nah, man, I don't know you people.
I'm Tiara Nicole Johnson. Tiara Sexy Johnson. Tiara Nicole Sexy Johnson. Tiara Nicole Sexy Johnson.
That's your middle name.
Ariel. Let me get the speech.
Hey, Tana.
Give me one of those.
I'm ready.
Hey,
You coming to dinner, right?
Wait, KP, you live in
Touched
Tampa?
by Princess. There you go.
Where your daughter at?
my daughter live in Milwaukee. I live in Chicago.
This ain't my cup. What am I doing?
It's not even. Why would you even pick that up?
I don't know. It was, I don't know.
Oh, this is the fucking fries
This
from
nigga
Fire Guy.
picked up the fries. Talking about this ain't my drink.
What you want to start?
What's the option?
Like, what?
Oh, I hope that was on camera.
Tequila.
I'm like,
Forgot that
you
nigga
fucked
drink
up?
gin.
Yeah, it was recorded.
You drink gin?
Oh no,
I'm getting there.
That's all you.
this. Yeah. No, it's not all me, but like.
Man, Ari, why you ain't tell me the sandwich was so fire? I told you.
Oh, that sounds like we got tequila too.
You guys are having such a good time. As we go on, we remember
Oh my goodness.
all the
Ain't no
times
tequila left.
we had together.
Where's the bottle?
Mwah.
Oh no. I love you so much. Sounds by Ari.
What other tequila did y'all run?
What do you have? What do you see right there?
There's the Don Julio, and what else was brought?
I want a shot of Don Julio.
There's no, it's none. Y'all drank it all.
Are you fucking serious?
I'm fucking I wouldn't lie to you. Like I don't drink tequila like that.
Is there another bottle of tequila, Gabriel?
Huh?
Is there another bottle of tequila?
It's my Don Julio. It's Dobel. Yeah.
Yeah,
Because that's I'll drink
Right,
Dobel.
but right? Remember I told you these sandwiches were so bomb.
All right, this party. Let me put this music on.
Yeah, my dope in the bush. Dope in the bush. I know how to cook. My bitch good looking. My bitch good looking. My bitch good looking. My dope in the bush. I know how to cook. Yeah. I did the digital dash. I put the bitch on the passenger. I got that junkie a blood.
Y'all ready?
You ready to take your shot?
Y'all said y'all want to turn up. Don't put that on me now. Y'all didn't take 2 more shots anyway.
I'm downtown Chicago, I'm Michigan Ave and Polo, and we on some woo shit. I walk in the sex fit for the bad bitches, and we both of them ruthless. If I see her up in the spot, I look him in his face like you ain't gon' do shit. Sourcing, too late, headshot, clueless.
They fell in love with the movement. I see her op booming. Bow. Get the money, it come with confusion. Don't try to teach me, nigga. I know what I'm doing. Folly. Saw me and started drooling. Big dough, boofing. Snowflake, coolin'. I had the money and dip. I don't go to war unless I'm fully equipped. Everywhere I go, I'm go with a bitch. Look, I got a fast whip. Shooting that he passed grip. Don't say you're smoking on my niggas, cause that be your last split. Hit it with me, he do mad.
Thank you guys for coming. Happy birthday. Okay. Oh yeah, and the surprise balloons was the best part. What's your favorite part of the trip?
You know what? Actually, my favorite part of the trip, this is your birthday trip. So, like, ultimately, seeing you happy on your birthday trip.
You're so sweet. The
Like
boat.
we just turned up. It was a fun time. It's like we had the right amount of food.
Got a plan with the nose. I sleep on the bitch off the avenue. I came to the city with revenue. I put in work, it was evident. I slide on your ass in the 7 deuce. Come back in the bitch in a 6 tray. Chevy Mercedes, I keep coming. Took out the bitches, I keep coming.
I pull up right now, I'm parallel. I hit your pop with the swingers. My niggas ain't never some bangers. I sit in the trap with the gangsters. You can come around here cause it's dangerous. I be hanging around here, I'm famous. Gotta keep the trigger by my finger. Hit the sideways when I bang it. In the driveway on the perk. I was sideways on the perk. Had to stick.
But it's real close. It's real close to water.
It's a button right there too. Hit that button. I'm about to fuck with him.
What are you talking about? What button is you talking about?
Damn, it's no button. Damn, I was trying to get him.
Kenny, you terrible. You are so terrible. It's just water.
We all sipping.
You look like that, Ari.
I like your button though.
It's close enough.
Come here, alright, boo. You good?
Excuse me.
I'm good until Rachel gave me this bullshit.
Well, give it back.
Oh, we all sipping on it. So yeah, take a shot and pass.
Just ungrateful.
Instead of puff puff pass, sip sip pass.
Ungrateful.
I left it at the hotel. I left it in my bag. I left it in my bag. I left it in my bag. I'm like,
Oh yeah.
No, I'm drinking this champagne. It's in there like this.
Some little good and fast.
That's cute like that. I was like, that's cute.
Yeah.
Go ahead, shake it. Shake it.
Push your pee.
Yeah.
Oh.
If you squeeze it, but it hurts and it feels good at the same time.
Why that balloon moving by itself?
Right, that kind of scares me.
Oh, the door open. Okay, look.
You're not even high, you tripping.
Right, black folks, boy. Why that balloon moving by itself? Like, what's going on? I look like.
That's how you know it's been a successful weekend.
I don't even know if I'll be able to.
Done.
Because my guy 40th birthday.
Done.